Guys, today we watch a special movie. Not other cute movie. Let's watch it. I gotta turn it a little louder because I love this movie. Let's watch.
I was called an emergency meeting this weekend. I promised my wife and daughter I'd take them away this weekend, sir. We need to cut 20%. You promised these people good jobs. I thought you'd do anything for this company.
Who is the company?
Well, have a good time. Pooh? Christopher Robin.
Hi, you just look like my stuffed animal teddy.
I've cracked.
I
I don't
would.
see any cracks. A few wrinkles, maybe.
Alright. So you love this, and you love this view. Please join and subscribe. I cannot wait this movie. I love Winnie Pooh. I think my sister cannot wait this movie. See, I cannot wait. They make the story the reboot for Cinderella, the Assistant, and Beauty and the Beast. I cannot wait more reboot stories. And you love this video? Please join and subscribe. And Winnie Pooh.